At last, welcome my fellow seeker. It is an honor to meet you. Today, I offer you a choice that will determine your future. I imagine right now you're feeling a little bit like Alice, tumbling down the rabbit hole, Yes, I can see it in your eyes. You have the look of a person who is searching for answers, almost like you're trapped in a nightmare, expecting to wake up. Ironically, this is not far from the truth. Let me tell you why you are here. You are here because you know something. What you know you can't explain, but you feel it, like a splinter in your mind driving you mad. It is this feeling that has brought you here. Do you know what I'm talking about? Do you know what it is? The Holy Spirit inside of you has been trying to wake you up, just like Neo, who was trapped in a fabricated realm of illusion. You too are shackled in a subtle yet profound way, immersed in culture, yours being that of a church culture. You have been foisted into a world of stark black and white thinking, where you're sculpted and formed to fit the prevailing mindset. This rigid, legalistic worldview acts as a veil cunningly drawn across your eyes to obscure the truth. You may not know it, but you are in a prison that you cannot smell, taste, or touch. A prison constructed not of bars, but of ideas and beliefs. A prison for your soul and your mind. Unfortunately, most people simply cannot be told of the toxic nature of their church culture. They have to see it for themselves. This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe, remaining in the comfort of ignorance. You take the red pill and uncover the truth and see how deep the rabbit hole goes. In this culture, the world that you know, it's easy to become ensnared in the comfort of familiarity. We find solace in conformity, in the forced manufacture of consent, in the comforting embrace of our shared values and beliefs. But make no mistake, this culture is a construct, prone to groupthink, a prison for your soul. It blinds you to the truth, stifles dissent, and leaves you in a cycle of self-deception. Will you continue to cling to the familiar comforts of the blue pill, or will you dare to grasp the red pill and venture into the unknown? This journey is not an easy one. It demands courage, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to seeking truth, even in the face of uncertainty. So, my fellow seeker, which one will you choose? The red pill or the blue pill? The choice is up to you.